What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's Carl Raven here. Today is an exciting day. I've been doing a bunch of Apple videos like the Apple event video I did. If you guys haven't checked that out, link in the description down below. So as you guys know, might not know, I actually record off of this phone. This is actually my personal phone, which is the iPhone XR. Well, I kind of need to upgrade because of the camera and design's kind of a little curved. Now that's when this comes in. The iPhone 12 Pro. So before we start the video, be sure to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel so you won't miss anything. Also hit that notification bell on. Now let's get into this beautiful iPhone 12 Pro. Alright, so let's open it. So there's a wrap right here. So all we have to do is just pull it. Satisfying. Ooh, yeah. Alright, so if you guys do not know, this phone actually takes advantage of Apple's new chip, the A14 Bionic chip, which is very fast. And this is iPhone's first 5G phone. It's crazy. So there are more phones. There is the iPhone 12 Pro, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, there's the original iPhone 12, and there's also the iPhone 12 mini, which is basically a little smaller than this. So let's open it. Wow, man, that is so good. It looks really good, really stable. As you can see here, those are 3 cameras. On my side, I have 1 camera on my XR, but this one I have 3 cameras, and it's basically more zoom. So let's open it. So satisfying. So if you guys are a big Apple fan, this is actually based on another product that was like really old. It was the iPhone 4. It actually had this design right here, and most modern iPhones they used to have a curved design. This one actually has a squared rectangular design, which is solid. So as you see here, this is all the light. This is the 3 cameras, the lighting, and also it's supposed to help dark mode, which is basically it takes better photos in the dark. And we also have no home button as usually in the iPhone XR and every other phone. And we also have the Face ID phone and the rear phone. Alright, so let's see what we else get. We get Apple, as usual, Apple stickers. And we get the tool to take out the SIM card. But if you get it from a prepaid buyer like Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, they already have the SIM card built in, which is somewhere on the phone. So we'll go put that there, and it does come with the charging. So this is actually USB-C. Well, it's lightning bolt to USB-C, but you can actually finally plug in USB-C. So let's open it. Man, that's a long cord. So we see here, this is USB. This is lightning bolt, which goes on the phone side, as you see, just for example. Boom, and it clicks. And on the other side, we have a USB-C. So this phone should charge up very quickly. So if you guys actually recently bought this phone and you're looking right now, you know the box, that's it. Well, here's the thing. This phone, buy AirPods or Beats, and buy the charger. So it's very simple. Very simple. You can use this also, but I really recommend doing wireless charging. It's way better. So we're gonna put that there, and we're gonna turn on the phone. And also right here we have this small instruction manual. I think it's a warranty. Of course. Alright, so let's turn on the phone. So before we turn on the phone, I don't want to keep on banging it and scratch the camera. So what we're going to do is we're going to add this case. It is the Spiden Liquid Crystal Clear case. You can buy this at Best Buy, Amazon. I really recommend buying this at Amazon because for some reason, this is like way cheaper to buy it at Amazon than at Best Buy, just so you know. So let's open it. And as you see, we have good packaging. So, as you see, we have the lens and screen cleaning wipe. That's very convenient that it actually comes with that. And you can use this with glasses, which is actually very good. And this is just instructions how to clean it as a situation. So just in case, and this is also advertisement of the stock charger. They have the 18 watts. So now what we're gonna do is put the phone in. All right, so let's turn on the phone. We got the case on, so let's turn on the phone. So I guess we have to hold. Ooh, it's turning on. Hello. All right, so we got swipe up, to activate it. So as you can see that I actually have to hover over my new phone with my old phone, and really it automatically just found it. So, oh, it just disappeared. So we have to hit continue and it should do it. Oh, so this is gonna be like the Apple Watch. Alright, so I have to hold up the camera right next to it. Boom, it should do it right now. There we go. Alright, so what does it say? This may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone, so you might need to wait. So grab a snack. Alright, so I just have to set my Face ID as you can see right here. So now I just have to go around in circles. I get started. So transfer your data. So you can transfer from iCloud or transfer from phone. Alright, so if you guys want to do transfer iPhone, be my guest, but I really recommend do the download from iCloud, so I'm going to do that right now. Alright, so it will restore from iCloud and time remaining estimated. So this should take a while. So we're gonna put this down here. Once it's finished, as you can tell, it'll be done by the date you actually backed it up. So I backed it up yesterday, so everything is back to normal, as you can see right here. And man, that's a big screen. So let's explore the camera on this. So I want to film a video. So this actually could do 4K 60 Hertz. So this is me with the new iPhone 12 Pro at 4K at 60 Hertz per second. Man, and it's really smooth. Like really, if I just turn around, it's like really smooth. And that dark mode, I could tell it's kind of getting a little effect on my hat shadow. It's a very big effect. So this camera is actually, I'll give it A+. It's a very good camera. One of the best cameras I've actually seen. So here's my conclusion. The iPhone 12 Pro it's a really fast and reliable smartphone to use. But there's really no downside to have. Like honestly, this is a perfect phone to use. And plus, this has Dolby Vision for the camera, and that's really good. And the surround sound that you're using on the phone is pretty well done. And the A14 chip that Apple made, very good. It's very fast. I can tell by latency that it's really low. So thank you for watching. If you're an Apple fan, smash that subscribe button. Also hit that like button. And if you guys like the phone, or if you guys have questions about the new phone, comment down below. And until next time, see you in the next one.